Hi, welcome to Wes Empire. Today I want to showcase our new product which is called Makao. So Makao is a system that allows you to post houses and also post land so that you can meet potential buyers or potential people who want to rent it. So as you can see from this page, the system just looks like this. So you'll have everything that you post will be displayed on this page. At the top here you have menus to find whatever you're looking for. So let's jump into it and see how to post an item. So for you to post an item, you need to use this submit listing menu button. So if you click on it, it will give you this form here for you to fill. So let me fill details so you see. So let's enter the details. So the first thing they want is the street address. So here let me assume I'll take another street. So I'll use Kangondo Road in Y. So alternate text. The alternate text is the title that will be displayed before showing your images or before showing your listing. So let me demonstrate that so that we see. So alternate text is this text that appears at the top here. This one. So on my alternate text here, you can enter it or you can just leave it empty. So mine I'll say a rental house. So the type here, let me say they are homes, then the status therefore rent. So the price, so let me say we are paying 50,000 and the payment is monthly. So under the price postfix we'll do stroke then month, then listing description. Supposed to enter the description of the property that you are showcasing. So I'll say rental homes located in a green environment. Green environment. Okay, when you're done with that, down here you have an option of saving as a draft in case you want to do it later, or you can simply continue. So I'll just go to next. Then you'll be asked to upload images of the product you're showcasing. So let's do select and pick your images. So picking my images, then say open. So the system is uploading the images as you can see. And there are our images. So these images you can reorder them in any way you want. For example, pick this one and move it to be the first. There we are. Then as you scroll down here, you have an option for uploading a file. So you can upload a file. For example, if you want to upload a title deed to showcase that the land that you are selling is yours and so on. So you can use this upload and you'll be able to upload a file. When you're done with that, you simply again go to next. Then you'll be asked the description and the details of the home. So the first thing is the number of bedrooms. So let's say this has 3 bedrooms, the number of bathrooms 2, how many meter square does the home stand on, you can enter that. The lot size, you can also enter that. Then the pets, do you allow pets in your estate also on? If you do, you can say the pets that you allow. So parking, do you have parking? If you have, you say for how many cars and so on. For example, I can say 3 cars. Then when you're done with that, just leave everything the way it is. Then down here you have additional features. So any other features that you have. For example, you have a swimming pool, so you can say you have a pool. You have CCTV security, so you can say that, and so on. So you just list all the features you have separated by comma. When you're done, again go to next. Then it will ask you to type the address where the home or where your house is located. So let me type here, say Ruai, then it will give me options here because it is integrated with Google Maps. So I'll choose Ruai Shopping Center. There we are. Then down here you can see my map showcasing where our pin, or Google Map showing where my home is. So you can move this pin to the right position where your home is, way down there. So if you're happy with that, you can simply go to next down here. Then you'll be asked for any private notes that you have. So in case you have any private, you want something private you want to type there, you can type. In case you don't have, you can just leave it empty and you do a submit. Yep, and you can see your post has been published. So if someone comes to the system now and opens the system at the top, there you are, they'll be able to see the house that you published for posting or for rent and so on. So someone can click on it and they'll be able to get the details. So the price is 50,000 per month, as you can see there. The number of bedrooms are 3, 2 bathrooms, 3 parking lots for a car. The pictures are down here, so you can select pictures to see how they look like. Then we have the description here. We have the property features down there. Then we have the map showcasing where your house is. So someone can click on get directions and they'll be able to arrive at your home. Down here you have a form that a client can use to contact you in case they need more details. So thank you.